Welcome back. This is Aldila Wellness Center, and it's nice having you back after a while. We haven't been on air. The reason for that being, we had a lovely studio built. Aldi, well done, girl.
Oh, well done to you.
Welcome.
To tango.
Well, it does, doesn't it? As always, we discuss subjects that's really pertaining to your health. And Aldi has gone and, shall we say, got taught about needleless injections. That sounds a bit more comfortable than the normal one where people are quite scared of needles.
Yeah, as you know, I always need a challenge, something to keep me going. I do not like to become complacent and stagnant. And I always get blessed with clients entering the practice, giving me new challenges.
Of course.
And for me, I am a professional perfectionist with a success rate that should be higher than 95%. And when a client or a patient enters the practice and they have a new challenge for me, I make it my business to sort it out. So there has been a great demand for clients needing injections, and I am not a doctor, nor am I a nurse, and I had to make a plan to assist the clients in a way that is safe and reliable and less painful. So I started doing research, and I found a new technology which is called Needleless Mesotherapy Injections.
That's a big word, Aldi.
It's really something. Let me tell you, I am a qualified somatologist, esthetician, skincare therapist for 20 years. And because of that, I'm allowed to perform needleless mesotherapy treatments
Procedures,
on clients.
yeah.
And I went and I studied it, I researched it, and then I took a leap of faith and made a big investment into purchasing these two machines. The technology comes from Canada. It's a gun, literally looks like a gun.
Yeah.
The other part of the equipment is a pen, and it uses pressure, air pressure. Without a needle, it looks very intricate and it's very intimidating to learn the technique, but basically the air that goes through the gun or through the pen penetrates the skin. The air pressure makes the serum create a needle that then when you shoot it into the skin, it disperses under the skin without making an abscess or a bolus. And you know, at Beyond Wellness,
wow.
Yes, at Beyond Wellness, I am obsessed with results,
perfection,
and also providing the clients treatments that are safe, reliable, and effective. And when I took this leap of faith and invested all of this money, I didn't really know if it's going to have a great kick-off because people don't know about it. So mesotherapy is many years old, but it is done with a needle penetrating the skin where you then put a serum into the body. And it has to go deep enough into the skin to make a result. So I again had to do something that does not really exist in our town.
Yeah.
Take it to the next level and say, yes, it's all about wellness. So now we have added another part into the practice that is called skin wellness and body wellness. So what can we do with these injections?
I was about to ask, what can we cover under this?
With the needleless injections, we can do you van jou kroontjie tot jou toontjie.
Beautiful.
So it starts with hair
Botox.
falling out.
Ladies would like to know about Botox.
Yes, so we can do your hair falling out. So we can do hair loss treatments for men and women. We call it no-tox, vegan Botox. So everything that I use at the practice has to be safe, effective and reliable. So I am not an advocate for fake synthetic stuff.
Yeah.
I am more for the holistic, safe approach.
Yes.
That where my clients will not be in danger
At
with
all.
what I put into their bodies. So we can do hair loss, we can do aesthetic skin treatments, we can do facelift, we can do Notox. Everything is the treatment. The vials are called fusion vials. They come from Spain. They won the aesthetic award in Europe for the year. And it's safe and it's reliable. So we can do as I said, the hair loss, we can do the skin treatments, we can do body wellness, weight loss.
As well.
Cellulite, it's amazing. Cellulite, centimeter loss, stretch marks, varicose veins, spider veins. And then the other side that I'm very excited about is the pain management side.
Yeah.
So where patients used to come into the practice and they would tell me, Aldi, I've got a frozen shoulder, or my elbow
Elbow's
hurts,
hurting.
or I've hurt my knee. I can now inject those patients without a needle. And it's 80% less painful than having a needle. So a lot of times,
And we've got immediate results.
yes, a lot of times people would like relief, but the needle part is so
Yeah,
painful.
the scary part.
It's painful to have a needle in your body. I mean, it's invasive. With this new technology where we use air to just shoot the serum into the body, it's 80% less painful and less invasive. It's safe. I'm qualified to perform it. As I said, there's no needles involved, and you will see on our Facebook, I've become a SARS center,
Yes.
which means that I fall under the body of the Skincare Therapy Association, which endorses these machines. So it's absolutely safe, effective, and reliable for the patient. So pain management is a whole new ballgame that I have embarked on in helping the clients with all of their pain. So,
I know for a fact that you can help with arthritis
yes,
in your hands.
amazing
And the
with
results are
arthritis.
almost immediate.
Amazing results with arthritis. And also the next phase that I'm entering now is, and I don't want to call it vaginoplasty because that's not what it is, but a lot of females are struggling with menopause and the vaginal area becoming dry and the skin is thinning out. So we can even now see to that without a needle, 80%
That's
less
amazing.
painful. Yes. So it just keeps growing and we can offer the client so much more. It's not an arm and a leg. A basic treatment is 1,500 rand, and we customize for you. We're going to talk in our other segments about a consultation and the new things we're offering at the practice. But I will tell you, it has been one of the scariest things I've had to embark on, and 2 months later, it's been one of my best investments. The results are amazing, amazing.
I think when one goes, I must also almost say, out of the comfort zone in total, that must be a scary thing. But then seeing the results
Yes.
must be so amazingly
Very, very, very
satisfying.
Yeah. You know, 2 years ago, I studied to be a doula.
Yeah.
And I had to do my practical hours in Heilbrow. And I remember doing my examination for these machines 2 months ago, standing there thinking, what have you done? What have you embarked on? 2 months into it now. And you'll see I haven't really marketed it. I haven't really pushed it because the clients that are the clients of the practice I've walked a journey of 3 years. We just turned 3 last week. We turned 3 last week. And I just said to myself, let me do these treatments on the existing clients who trust me, who know me, who've walked the journey with me. And it took quite a while to do the treatments and then wait to see the results. Now, 2 months later, I will tell you.
You can see the results now.
Great results. And I feel very confident sitting with you today, saying to you, I've brought in something completely different and it's making a big difference in the lives of the clients. So yes, I'm going to push it now. I'm going to market it. And there's so many people that we are going to help, especially when it comes to the pain
For
side.
sure.
Yes, especially pain management. You do not have to have a cortisone injection anymore. You don't have to go for prolotherapy. You don't have to go under anesthetic with those big needles. You can come in. We will build a customized plan for you and we can do pain management that is next level.
Can this also help with sports injuries?
Fantastic for sports injuries. I have had clients who have sprained an ankle, sprained a knee. I've had clients who will sleep and they've sprained their neck while they were sleeping. Literally doing the injections like that, it takes a few minutes, 24 hours later, giving me a call back saying the pain's gone completely.
But is this a permanent solution, or does one need to come back continuously to have it done all over again?
Everybody is different. I have made peace with the fact that in life, everything is maintenance.
For sure.
If you go for those injections under anesthetic, or you have those cortisone injections, your prolotherapy, all of that also needs to be done on a regular basis. Remember, I'm not only doing pain management, I am taking your body and your wellness to the next level. So all of the vials that we inject you with rebuilds the tissue, rebuilds the cells.
Okay, yeah.
So it's all about maintaining a new way of skin wellness, body wellness, muscle wellness. And yes, initially you might have to come for 2 or 3 treatments, and from there you have a maintenance of every 6 months, depending on all the other things you do with. And that's what we're going to talk about. Why is it important to have a consult and to have a wellness lifestyle plan? Because unfortunately, wellness and health is integrated. It's not a one-way street.
For sure.
Yeah.
Aldi, thank you once again. I hope you found this very interesting, because I did. And please do make an appointment with Aldila and make sure that you get relief from your pain or the no tox like we just discussed. See you again next week.